Hi, my name is John Bacosa and I'm the Assistant Team Manager for PartsPro Racing. Kwento ko lang yung story ng 86 ko named Hachiro. I bought it brand new in 2014. I kept it mostly stock for the first year or two. It didn't last long until may nag-offer sa akin ng headers, ng intake, ganyan. Kaya mismatch yung wheels ko ngayon. Yesterday, I came from R33 drift track. So, I use this mainly as a Sunday car slash race car slash drift car slash date car kung merong ka-date. Some of my parts, I got it from PartsPro.ph. Sa katunayan, nung isang araw lang, nag-order ako ng batteries from them. Buti na lang umabot kasi the next day, gagamitin ko siya for drifting. Drivability enhancements, basically. So, kung ano yung mag-e-enhance ng driving experience, like coilovers, tuning. So, chinunto ni Crisco of Donut Shop. I drive my car as intended, meaning it was designed to have fun. So, I use it for autocross, drifting, and time attack. In Clark, in Megatent, in R33, BRC, ganyan.
Looking for aftermarket parts and accessories for your car? Visit PartsPro and check out our selections. PartsPro is the Philippines' #1 e-commerce store for everything automotive. Shop now at PartsPro. Visit partspro.ph. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Order via Shopee. We deliver nationwide.
As you can see, I changed the intake to a Greddy one. I have aftermarket headers, lightened pulleys, and then iba na yung radiators ko kasi I have sensors for it for the gauges inside. And then I have an oil cooler installed. Nandito siya sa ilalim. I don't know if you guys could see. Pero ito yung sandwich plate niya for the oil cooler. Ito yung lines niya. And then coilovers, meron siyang camber plates for camber and then adjusting the damping. These are Ducktail slotted brakes. And then Rota wheels. Both are Rota wheels. So ito, Titans. These are RT5s. And then sa loob naman, simple lang. Aside from these two gauges and then the steering wheel are custom from Donut Shop and then TRD Shiftknobs. To cap off the rear, meron akong carbon fiber diffuser. All available from PartsPro. For the exhaust, I have Greddy SP Elites. Siyempre, plus 5 horsepower, PartsPro.ph stickers. Tambay spec upuan. So, kung gustong pantambay, pang ano sa racetrack, pang tambay sa parking lot, you could get this from PartsPro. It's a director's chair, which is very foldable. So, yan. Lagi ko siyang dala-dala pagka nagpupunta ako ng racetrack. So, guys, that's it for my Project 86. So, yun.